Holy smokes. All right. If you're a crafter and you are looking for a nice set of feathers to add to one of your crafts or one of your Christmas trees or something like that, I want you to think about giving this set of 24 assorted feathers from Holmgren a chance. Packed in this is a lot of different kinds of feathers. As you can see, everything from spotted feathers to some peacock feathers. They got some, I wish I knew what kind of bird this is from. I don't even know if you can catch it on the camera, but it's got like an iridescent, it's got a handful of these iridescent blue and green feathers inside of it. These feathers are all natural feathers. They do come packed in plastic, obviously. And when you see them, when you get them out, some of them might look a little bit rough, but just with a little bit of care and maybe a little bit of steam on some of these, you are going to see that they take shape really nice and well, really nice and easily, making good-looking pieces for your crafts. So whether you're making I don't know, a fan, or maybe you've got some other we'll call it purpose for all of these feathers and what you're doing with them, check this out. This is made by Holmgren. It's packed together by Holmgren. I think you're gonna love them. Check them out.